Hello class, are you ready for our math lesson? Today we will be talking about bar graphs. Bar graphs are an easy way to collect and look at data. We will be doing this by surveying students' favorite types of pizzas within the school. So let's start collecting data.
With the data that we collected in our school survey, we need to categorize the data into a table. So if you could, grab a piece of paper and a pencil so you can follow along with me step by step.
In the table, we see that the left side represents the types of pizza, which are cheese, pepperoni, and sausage. On the right side of the table, we have filled in the number of student votes. Cheese pizza has 5, pepperoni has 7, and sausage pizza has 2. Now let's use this to make our bar graph.
When constructing a bar graph, you have to have a title. The title of this bar graph is going to be Types of Pizza. Next, let's draw our y-axis, which goes up and down, and then our x-axis, which goes from left to right. You have to title the two axes. So the y-axis is going to be the number of votes. And the x-axis is going to be the different types of pizza. Next, you have to scale the y-axis from 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now that we have our data from the table, we can now begin to construct our bars. First, let's add cheese pizza to our x-axis. And we can count up 5 on our scale. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because there were 5 votes. Next was our pepperoni pizza, which had 7 votes on our table. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And lastly was our sausage. Sausage only had 2. 0, 1, 2. Now the bar graph is complete. We can visually see which pizza had the most votes, which was pepperoni.
Alright, second graders, are you ready to play the Graph is Right review game? Great, let's get started. Question number 1. Which axis on the bar graph represented the types of pizza? Exactly, the x-axis or horizontal axis. Remember, the x-axis goes from left to right. Alright, question number 2, guys. Which axis represented the number of pizza votes? Awesome, guys, you're correct. The y-axis or vertical axis. And remember, that goes from the bottom to the top, and it will have the scale and the number of increments on that side. Alright guys, question number 3. What is the difference between the number of votes of pepperoni pizza versus cheese pizza? Remember, difference means subtraction. Let's refer to our bar graph we just made for the answer. Great job, guys. The answer is 2. Alright, last question. Referring to our bar graph, who won the most votes? Was it pepperoni pizza, cheese pizza, or sausage pizza? Bingo! It was pepperoni. Pepperoni wins with 7 votes. Great job, guys. Throughout this lesson, we learned why it's useful to use a bar graph,
How to construct a bar graph.
How to read a bar graph.
Now let's celebrate using a bar graph. Math tasted so good.